Welcome back, YouTubers. I am about to go to the junkyard to get a steering column for my 87 Chevy. Now, I've said more than once that farming is a lot more than just planting crops and harvesting and things of that sort. And we've been very busy around here. So that's why I have not been able to do a lot with the videos. But we purchased a tractor, another tractor. The other one is still in the shop. And we were unable to get it running. So we have purchased another tractor, one that will allow us to move some land and do some things with this tractor, and it works really good. We've been able to clear a lot of stuff, and hopefully this next rainy season we won't get flooded out down here in the land, because I was able to go in here and smooth this out a little bit, and I hope I took care of where the water is jumping the ditch and coming over here. There was a path between there, but we'll see. It does appear that I might need to go back in there again and do some stuff now that it's a little bit drier. I'll try to do that today when we get back. But this is the truck, and we're trying to restore it. It's running. It's got a 5.0 engine in it, and it's doing great. So we are about to go to the junkyard and get the steering column, because that steering column does not fit. I bought it from a guy, and the transmission rod connector is on the wrong side. So we've got to get that fixed. But Fruit Lane is doing well. Our other vegetables, let me just show you real quick.
I got
The
one of those. You fix me one.
garden.
That's mine.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, the garden. He wants his energy drink.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let me show you the garden real quick. I bought one of these raised bed gardens, and planted some things in it, some collards, and some sassafras. Sassafras insulin, some lemons, and I put in there some garlic. So we're gonna see. This was just 2 days ago. Nothing's coming up yet. The garlic will be in there for about 9 months, but we're gonna see. But this is my kale. My kale is doing wonderful. My lettuce is doing wonderful. As a matter of fact, last night we picked kale and mustards out of this garden and had it for dinner. So it's doing good. The radishes look like they're doing really good as well. So we are, and we had some really good peppers. Oh, they just dropped something up there? Okay. So, and the baby chicks, they're out here now. They're no longer inside the garage. Thank God. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes. Did you open this, Ray, for the baby chicks? Ray, did you open this? I don't know if he opened it or not. But no, it's still closed. So let me open it so they can come down and get fresh water and food. Open the door here. The string is not working like it should. We're gonna have to put another string on this. We're gonna have to put another string on this.
Yeah, okay.
So they can. What is that? He orders stuff from Amazon all the time. He just orders and orders and orders. And we put the other chicks, the older ones that were over there, we put them back here with the adult chicks. So they are, he's just talking. They put all of them in here, but the black ones, they don't come out here as much because they're still trying to get acclimated to the coop. So they'll come out. They're in there though. They're in there and they're just fine. So we're gonna go to the junkyard and get this steering column and come back and put it on. So we'll see you guys later once we get this truck up and running. But I mean, it's running and we got brand new tires on it, and we're gonna put the steering column in and do some other things to it. I gotta pick up a bench for it, and then we will be good to go. So see you later.